Friends, welcome. It's Yuri here, and we start our live stream where I'll share with you my best patterns that I love to trade and that works really awesome. And I will show to you how exactly you can start making money and how you can follow our simple rules to find best places where you can take trades for a massive profit. Before we start, few words about me. My name is Yuri. I'm a co-founder of ByBit Trading Academy, and I'm author on trading more than 6 years with 78,000 followers here. We are in this business for quite long, and today's stream to share wisdom with all of you. At this moment, I ask you to write few words about yourself. For me, it's interesting to hear where all of you from, and we are going to start. Before, pay attention how Ethereum is dropping. Okay, let me remind to all our community members that we started. Okay, good. Good trends I see. Also, friends, write from 1 to 10 about audio quality. How do you hear me well? Do you see me well? That's really important. Okay, stream started, and what we are going to do, as I told you, about patterns that we would like to trade. First, how many of you have trading strategies that you trade and that you know how to follow? Good. 10. Good. Hello from Bangladesh. Hello. Okay, friends, about patterns that we are going to cover today. As many. Hi, Biko, what are the settings for your volume indicator? We will cover about settings. For a start, we are going to cover more about understanding strategy, understanding why you need it. And after that, I will show you my indicators. Hi, Maria from London, new to trading, so still working on strategy. Good. Friends, today's major topic about strategy, why you need it, and how to be successful. Okay, let's start. Write plus into a chat that you're ready to start. Why do you need strategy? Tell me how many of you understand a reason why you need a strategy. While you write, I would like to explain to you that in trading, you don't know which trade will hit your target. For example, you open any particular trade and you don't know in reality will it hit your take profit or it hit your stop loss. But how can you become profitable? Super easy. You become profitable when if price hit your target, you make in many times more. Example for you, let's cover with you real example. Like have a look on this my statistic. Let me show to you my statistic. I did screenshot yesterday. I didn't do any new trades. It is my statistic with my trading days. Pay attention here. You don't see exact numbers, but friends, doesn't matter what numbers here. Is it 10 USD or 1,000? You just need to see that I have red days, but my green days way bigger, and my an amount of my green days also way bigger. That's a reason why I make money. It is not a reason because I am right in 100% cases. No, I don't need it to become profitable. Also, you don't need 100% accuracy to be profitable. You need your advantage. Yes, like 1 to 3 risk reward and 35% win rate. Yes, you need positive math. Write at this moment in a comment from 1 to 10 how clear for you this profitable math. How many of you understand how it works? From 1 to 10 right now. And why is this stuff super important for you? Because you can become profitable even if you write in 40% cases, 50% cases. When I write in 60% cases, for me, it is the best month, I would say to you. That's why to increase your, for example, when you open any trade, you have next numbers. First, you have a number, it calls risk to reward ratio. Risk to reward. Friends, we must cover this base. After that, I will show you exact strategies, exact patterns. We must cover this for all of you to understand. First, it is risk to reward. Example for you. What it means. If price hit your stop loss, that's risk. For example, you have risk 100 USD. It means if price hit your stop loss, you lose 100. But imagine your reward 500. It means you can have 4 stop losses with minus 100, 4 stop losses with minus 100, and only 1 profit with 500, and you profitable. And here it is only 20% of profitable trades. Right plus if this clear. Good. I hope it. To have this powerful math, you need a places where you will have really huge advantage, where if you take a trade, price will move into your favor. And in this case, you need good strategy. What can be really good strategy? Let me show to you several examples. Today, we are going to cover one really powerful strategy. Today, it will not be a lesson when we cover like 10 strategies. Let's cover one strategy, and this strategy will be about volume profile. How many of you know what's volume profile? Right plus if you know what it is, right minus if you don't know. I have one strategy that I really love when we have super concentrated volume profile. Like something like this. Especially after significant pump, and price did several stop loss hunts. And here we have massively concentrated volume profile. It must be really concentrated. And price breaks it. After that, in most cases, in 80% cases, they will test this volume profile, and this volume profile will play out as a powerful support resistance. Let me open my order flow platform, and let's cover this stuff with link. You will understand it. And also I will show to you shortly what volume profile means. Okay, it is air alarm. Is it air alarm or it is cancel? Okay, let's start this platform. Give me a few seconds and I will show it to you. My order flow platform starts and we open this. Okay. Even this example, let's cover this example of a trade on Bitcoin Cash. And we are going to cover this trade on Bitcoin Cash. And also, before, let me explain to you a few words what's volume profile. Friends, few seconds because this platform take a lot of computer capacity and it needs a few minutes to load it. That's why I hope you understand that it is okay to wait a few minutes. Before it, while it's loading, a few words once more. What's major idea of the strategy? Coin dropped a lot, and we have massively concentrated volume profile, and price takes stop losses several times. After that, this volume become key support. Or coin pump a lot, and also we take stop losses several times, and this volume profile become really powerful resistance. Okay, it's nearly uploaded. Okay, platform nearly here. While it uploading, let me open this example on a link. Let me show to you this example on a link. Does it upload it? Oh, finally it's here. It takes a little computer capacity. Friends, from 1 to 10, right at this moment, about this, do you like this stream or not? What do you think about this one? Okay, have a look on this link. Example for you about that super concentrated volume profile. Okay. Now have a look on this example. Let me show to you a trade that I took a few days ago. Trade analysis. And beauty of that trade was that I made 1 to 12 in this trade. 1 to 12. If you risk 100 USD, guys, if you risk 100 USD, you make 1,200. If you risk 1,000, it is 12,000 USD. What was the major stuff here? Pay attention. Link, coin pumped from this bottom. Pay attention. Coin pumped by 79%. Tell me at this moment, 79%, it's good or not? It's a lot or small? And have a look what happened exactly here. Pay attention why I use, that's example for you, why I use order flow platform and why I highly recommend you to use order flow platform. Pay attention, at this moment, you see cluster chart. And what this cluster chart shows to you, it shows to you where concentrated volume enters the price. Pay attention. Nothing, it means average volume. But this one, pay attention, super red, as closer to red color, it means bigger volume in a tiny area. Have a look. For all of you that wrote, you don't know what's volume profile. Volume profile shows to you exactly how many contracts were traded in some place. Pay attention. At this moment, we zoom in. And do you see 2 millions, 3 millions, 1,900,000, 11 million, 1,700,000? It shows to you exactly amount of contracts that were traded in some area. Why is this stuff super important for you? And for me also, because pay attention how this significant volume become key resistance here. Price bounced from this area. And it was exactly a place where we took this beautiful trade. And have a look how after again, they retested this area and again bounced. And also pay attention to another stuff, another powerful volume profile. Again, super concentrated volume profile. And have a look what price did here. Price retested and did good bounce. As I want to share with you about, let's discuss about shape of volume profile. Before we discuss shape, once more summary, what's volume profile? Volume profile calculate for you amount of coins traded exactly at each price level. And as bigger price level, more coin traded, that means this level become way more important. And when there are really a lot of coins, quite often it will become powerful support and resistance. I did tell me, Young, was it better for you to understand what's volume profile? I did this more for you. Friends, write plus if clear the volume profile, why this stuff is super powerful. Marius, yes, fine, good, good guys. That's why the staff volume profile, it is really key place where you can take super accurate entry. And remember, as I told you, you can trade it several times. For example, if volume profile super concentrated, quite often price will bounce from it several times. And how do you exactly, would you like to know how exactly we open a trade? Write one into a chart. How exactly to open trades at stop losses, take profits. Let me show to you more examples how this stuff works really well. Example for you like this one. They really accurately bounce it from this volume profile. Example for you, this one, pay attention. Price did massive pump from this volume profile, super concentrated. And at this moment with my team, we pay attention how price react on this volume profile, because here could be good entry for potential bounce into this area. Yes, you can put stop losses behind those really big areas. Yes, that's one of the best way how you can do it. It's is to hide stop losses after significant volume. Let's cover by this example. Imagine a situation you saw that price already. Imagine, friends, let's cover two situations in what cases and where you would set a stop loss. Do you kindly show your cluster settings once, because in my system it's no shows and the same as yours. First, you can download our template, and after that my team will help you to set up clusters. That's why what you need to do at this moment, open this stream. Open this stream, my friend, and fill this form. After that, my team will help you with this topic. Have a look. Have a look on this. You open this form and write your name, and after that, my team will help you to set up at this platform, order flow platform, and you will get and you'll learn how to do it. That's it. Just fill the form. And that's for free. They will help you with order flow platform for free. Okay, let's cover with this example how exactly we set stop loss here. Pay attention. First, what we do, we open massive volume profile. And imagine a situation, you open a trade exactly, for example, here, before price retest major volume. Where would you set your stop loss? Tell me, please, at this moment in the comments. Where would you set your stop loss? What we do with my team, we always set stop loss above the super concentrated volume. We set it simply after a volume. Here, our stop loss would be in this area. It would be at 820. That means, and when we take a trade, that's our potential stop loss size. 830, it is honestly 830, it is a little bit big. You don't need such stop loss. It's too big. That's why, example for you, if you take a trade here, your stop loss size would be like 1.9%. 1.9%. And if price drops, you keep until take profit, you would make at least 1 to 4.7. It is best. Some of my students, honestly, they set stop loss way more closer. Sometimes it would take your sometimes it would hit stop loss once before it go into your favor, but in that case if it moves into your favor, you make it many times more. That's first example. What you do, how you can exactly take a trade. You do this stuff simply. For example, you can do the same stuff on TradingView. How you do exactly this stuff? Imagine, let's cover this example on Litecoin or Link. Let's open Link because it is way better. Like at this moment, I have this massive volume area and I wait for it. How exactly I would trade it? If I see that price come into this area and here would be some volume and price stop, we can take trade and set stop loss after it. That's it. And we simply set stop loss after it with first target and second target into this area. Like it is bounce from significant concentrated volume profile. Pay attention, my friend. That quite often price retest massive volume profile area. Pay attention on this volume. Pay attention how price exactly retested it. Do you see how they exactly retested it? And how price exactly with tiny tiny accuracy bounced. Why on what you should pay attention to trade such stuff? First, sometimes you will see volume profile, as I told you, it must be super concentrated. It must be like this one. You analyze volume profile and you, one moment, and you see this volume profile and it is super concentrated, like this one. Because sometimes when you analyze volume profile, you will see like this profile or like this profile. Do you understand the difference? Write plus at this moment into your chat. And friends, remember to push like, subscribe to this channel, because with us you will learn how to become profitable and you will learn best order flow strategies. That's why consider subscribe to get that knowledge and a lot of stuff for free. Why I tell you a lot about type of volume profile, because pay attention that sometimes volume profile will be not beautiful as it can be. For example, like this one. Imagine you would like to take a trade while price in the middle of this range, and tell me from what exactly volume it must bounce. From this one, this one, this one. It's difficult to consider which volume must be price should bounce. Let's open another trade on Bitcoin Cash. Tell me at this moment, I need to see at least 10 reactions, at least 10 pluses into a chart, at least 10 pluses, my friends. I would like to show you additional secret tool that you can use to find best places with volume profiles that price would reverse like with insane accuracy, like 80% accuracy, something like that. I need to see your pluses into a chart that you would like to get information about it. Good. Okay, good. Okay, let me show you my secret Friends, that would be my secret. At this moment, I will show to you how I identify that there would be with huge possibility reversal. What's my secret? I use one special indicator. Have a look. This indicator, it is open interest. Pay attention. Pay attention, my friends, at this moment. Do you see how this indicator spiked? Number on this indicator rose by 167% during few hours. 67% during few hours. And have a look where most of this volume entered. It is this indicator. It shows to you open interest. How many of you know what's open interest? How many of you don't? Pay attention. From this area, open interest increased from this area, in this tiny area, by 10 million contracts. By 10 million contracts. In this tiny area, someone added 10 million contracts into the market. What this stuff means? Let me explain you about as simply as possible. In that tiny area, someone tried to buy and push price more. But from other side, someone absorbed all that coins and built significant short position. And often price make massive reversal after that. Really often after massive rise or massive drop, such rise in open interest, it is the best signal of reversal. It calls trapped traders. This stuff, by the way, we teach people that join our education program and work with our coaching program, and you can be one of those people. And if you would like to learn about this strategy in really big details, just open this video, and below this video there would be this link to get individual consultation, and just join and work with my team. We will help you to learn it because you need to master it. It will take time. Let me send to you this link. Remember to open this link and fill the form, and after that speak with my team. Let me show to you several examples when it played out really perfectly. It is a link example. Let's open APT. Have a look. Massive rise in open interest. Coin pumped. Really insane volume. Entered here at high. Pay attention. Really insane volume. How big volume exactly at high. And have a look after that trapped open interest. APT dropped at this moment by nearly 20%, 23%. Honestly, I like more when price do something like this. Have a look, like this example. Let's cover other examples. You will understand how it really works really beautiful. Have a look on this example, my friend. Coin pumped, and again, open interest entered this coin exactly at high. Most of new contracts entered APT exactly at high. And have a look how price, this super concentrated volume profile. Let me show to you this one. Sometimes, as you can see, they won't retest it in really short time. Sometimes, pay attention, it will take some period of time when they will retest such volume profile. But pay attention how exactly they retested this trapped interest. Have a look with what accuracy. And after price drop by 10% or even more. 10%. No, it's not 10. 16%. Should I share with you several more examples? Tell me, should I share with you several more examples? Mm. 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 When you analyze open interest, it's important to analyze it on lower time frame, because when you analyze it, there must be when you analyze open interest, there must be a lower time frame. 1 hour, it is the biggest one that I recommend you to do. Pay attention how here open interest and local levels were a good signal for potential reversal. Remember one important stuff: we never use open interest alone. We always use open interest together with other indicators, my friends. Only together with other indicators. And my best indicator, it is volume profile. Let me show to you one more example of really beautiful trades that I promised to you. It was a trade here on Bitcoin Cash. Have a look. What was really reason why we took a short trade here? Honestly, it was only one short, but sadly we didn't take more short trades here. Major reason why we took short there, because pay attention how price retested exactly this massive and concentrated volume profile. We have clear trend down, price dropped below volume profile, retested, and after that made beautiful drop. As I told you, often such significant volume will play out as a powerful support resistance. Remember, you can trade this volume profile. There are different strategies. First strategy, you can use it as a bounce. Sometimes you can take breakout of this volume. As I told you, there are different strategies with volume profile that you can use. Let me show to you some additional confirmations that you can use with volume profile. Like this one, volume profile plus VWAP plus important levels. Sometimes, pay attention, sometimes important volume profile can push price up. But this stuff, it is super advanced stuff, and like this example. Sometimes, pay attention, super concentrated volume profile can be a good signal that price will continue movement, but we won't cover it today. Okay, friends, that's why let me summarize. Let me summarize. When you see that price in a downtrend, and you have, for example, concentrated volume profile, retest to this volume profile, good area to take short. When you see the price in an uptrend and you have massive volume profile, it's a good signal. It's a good place to take entry for continue. At this moment, ask your questions and I will reply to 5 of your questions. At this moment, guys, 5 questions. I will reply to you with this tool, because this tool is the most powerful one that you can use in trading. Mhm. Okay, good question. What if it is ranging? Honestly, in a range market, it is not the best tool to use. In a range market, there are different strategies that you would need to use. Example for you, like pay attention with this stuff on Ethereum, like this Ethereum stuff. Price were in a range for so many days, pay attention, so many days price were in a range, and in range area better to trade fake outs. As you can see, this one, fake re-low, fake re-high, fake re-high. During range market, better to trade fake outs. How many times it would be a retest considers on POC? First, I don't like POC. Sometimes pay attention like this one. What they did, they retested. Pay attention on this pump on Ethereum. They retested this pump 2 times, and after that, have a look how price pumped really a lot. Honestly, sometimes for you it will be difficult to say how many times that would be retests. That could be 2-3 times. This stuff really good when you understand what trend at this moment. If you understand the trend is up, that would be really awesome to follow from this stuff, because this stuff will give you best places with low risk and good potential reward. Can you please show us tool on a task to draw those volume profile and show the yellow zone? As I told you, all help about platform you can get from my team, and they will help. They will help you for free. Just fill the form, speak with them, and they will help you to set up it. Hello, bro. Love from India. Hello, love from Ukraine. Example for you. Have a look on this one. Example for you. Price in a range. After that, price did like this example for you for Ethereum. How many times price did really interesting price action? What's the main reason? By the way, I recommend for all of you to use cluster charts often. Pay attention how price dropped, but biggest volume were exactly here. Price dropped below range, broke it. And have a look here on the shape of volume profile. This volume profile isn't super concentrated as it was in a previous time. After that, have a look. From this place, price did reload. After, again, here, massive volume, price did massive pump. After, pay attention, if you add all of this volume together, you can see how here price bounced from this POC. After, pay attention how here price traded, concentrated, broke, retested to POC, dropped. Like you often will see how price moves from significant volume. And what for me is the best, I like, as we have on this example, when price retest volume profile, and here I see massive volume increase. For me, this is the best signal that someone sell here a lot of coins and would like to push price down. I like such resistance. Why sometimes price going up but open interest going down? If you ask these questions, it means you don't understand what's volume profile, what is open interest. Open interest, shortly OI, it is amount of coins that open on exchange. It is amount of futures coins that open on exchange. Example for you. At this moment on Ethereum, altogether, people hold 978,000 contracts on short and long. Remember, when some person open short, there always other side, someone open long. And if price rise while OE drops, that means some people close their position. For example, long buyers close their positions and short sellers also close their positions. And when short sellers close, they forced to buy back. When long buyers close their positions, they sell. That means they reduce amount of open contracts. And because of that, price can rise, but open interest drops. And by the way, often you will face massive movement exactly during drop of open interest. Example for you, like this one. Price, have a look, biggest candle up, but open interest dropped. Do you know what was the major reason? Guys, do you know why here open interest dropped so much while price rose up? It's super simply because pay attention where that open interest started to rise exactly in this area, And imagine a lot of people build long positions. They build long positions. Yes, stop losses. They build long positions. From other side, during this range, some people try to take short. And when price accelerate, people with short positions, to get out, they force to buy back. And because of that, they push price up. Yes, liquidations. That's the best, guys. Liquidation. They force to push price up. And this long buyers, for them, it is the best opportunity to sell because they can get out. And as you can see, long buyers, they get out and short sellers get out. But price moves up. That's liquidations. And often, in 90% cases, after really massive liquidation, there would be reverse of a market. There will be market reversal. In most cases, after really huge liquidations. It was many times before, and it will be more and more. Have a look like this one. The same. Price dropped so much, open interest dropped from 7 millions to nearly 4.5, nearly 50% drop of open interest. And guess what was after? Tell me, guys, what was after? Yes, after was a market reversal. Market reversed from this area by 50%. That's how liquidation works. That's how, guys, liquidation works. The same way with Matic. Have a look. Matic also, pay attention. Look at this. Look at this. Exactly at this candle, and have a look how here open interest dropped by 41%. Massive liquidation, it is always will be best signal of market reversal. And for me, honestly, it is the best stuff that I like to trade because for me, it's clear what will be a direction of a market. Because after that, it's super easy to trade. Because sometimes, let's be honest, sometimes it's difficult to trade. It's difficult to understand what will be direction. But after, when you see massive liquidation after big drop, it is the best time to buy. When to buy? Best time to buy when you see like this one on APT. Price drop like this one, 40-50%. And you see that open interest also dropped by 40%. That's the best time to buy. At this moment, once more, push like on this channel and subscribe. Consider subscribe because friends, once more, at this moment, I remind you to subscribe to this channel to be updated in the future, and we will help you master a lot of order flow strategies that will make you profitable. About this one, large liquidation or decrease, good buy. Yes, it is a good time to buy, especially for a long term. The same opposite for reverse. When price rose, accelerate, and massive drop in open interest. It is a good time to get out. You just leave. Like you can use, in what cases you can use open interest? For traps and for liquidation. It is the best, and also for breakouts, because like Ethereum at this moment, have a look how open interest started to increase during breakout. That's really good. Okay. Once more, remind to you that you can learn with me and with my team how to trade it. Have a look, like here in our Discord channel. When I see beautiful patterns, I always share it with our community members, and we always share such trades. And when I took, for example, Bitcoin Cash 8.7 risk reward profit after Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Link, ADA, all coins that I see with high chance that those coins will play out and there would be a significant movement, I always share with people that would be a good entry, and always share, for example, like this one, 1 to 12 risk to reward ratio. You can be with us, and you can be with a place where I share such trades. Simply fill this form, and after that, my team will send to you all details. At this moment, friends, once more, additional 2 questions, and we are going to finish. While you write questions, I summarize to you. When you see that price rose a lot, and here you see massive volume profile, you just wait for breakdown and retest, you take short. When you see that coin dropped a lot, you also wait for building big volume profile. After that, when price break it, at retest to volume profile, you take long. That's the best places for you to trade. Okay, I see no questions anymore. Okay, guys, if there is no questions, we are going to finish. Use proper tools, use proper risk management, and remember to watch all our lessons on this channel. Kindly share strategy for scalping top gainers with VWAP. It is so helpful. My friend, it is not today. It must be another stream about coins in play, how to scalp it. Timur, please do this session again. How often should we do such sessions? Tell me. Guys, what do you think how often we should do such sessions on our YouTube channel? Once a week. Once a week. Guys, to do it once a week, 2 times, better every day. I will speak with my team and we will consider maybe once per 2 weeks, something like that. We will do some streams. Okay, thank you for your time, guys. Have a good time. Bye. I need to go.